Book now and design later. How to make sure you have an amazing summer. Hey everyone, my name is Jacob Godar and my channel helps contractors deliver and clients experience a luxurious everyday life through property transformations. And today we're talking about a slogan that just gets said all the time, and it's in all our marketing this time of year, which is going into the off season, and that is design now and book later. And I want to tell you 3 points of what that means and why that's so important to make sure your summer's an awesome one. So you might have been thinking about a huge outdoor project, a paver patio, a pool, landscaping to soften up your backyard and bring in some color, somewhere to share and have time with your friends. Or maybe the world's a little weird and you just want to have a nicer backyard because you don't get to go do as much stuff anymore and you want to enjoy your backyard. Well, these 3 topics are going to make sure you get it in a timely manner, and everything works out well for you. Step number 1, this is probably one of the most important. Set a realistic budget for this project. What are you wanting to spend? What do you want to invest in this? That's the first most important question when it comes to design and plan any given project, so you can truly communicate with someone and help them understand what they are able to give to you. Because a company can only design and install what you have a budget for. And with that budget, it allows us to craft and create exactly what we can and cannot offer to you to make sure your outdoor living space is amazing. Number 2 is planning ahead and designing ahead. So this all starts out with, we meet you, we get your budget like what we were talking about, and we come up with some of these points and we start planning and designing. Right now I'm designing projects for next August, and that's how it works because people are planning early for summer. But you get that design, you have those sit downs where you're really looking at the budget, you're looking at the different options, and you make sure everything seems right and you're ready to go. And then we can finalize an estimate for you so you know what it costs, you know what the materials are. We can be so ahead on our planning because we can have all of our materials ordered so we're ready to rock and roll, especially if you have something extravagant that you gotta wait a while for it to come in. And it just makes the whole process run smoother for you on your project. Number 3, this is the most important one, signing and booking in advance. I mentioned that we're working on projects for next August already, and it's crazy that that's how it works. People are planning that far out, and that was a lot of why I felt so compelled to shoot this video, so homeowners know there's people that plan that far out. And if you're wanting to change your outdoor living space, you want to plan ahead, you want to sign ahead, you want to get it booked so you can be in line, you can get your project done, and you can start enjoying your amazing outdoor space, and we will be excited to create that for you. I hope these 3 points have gave you some things to think about, have got you set on the idea of getting set in the off season so you're ready to get your outdoor living space for summer and enjoy it all throughout the year. Everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all soon.